Hey there, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of Upkeep, back with another exciting episode. Today, we're going to untangle the complex world of maintenance regulations, a crucial knowledge area for maintenance and asset management teams. We'll uncover how these regulations, enforced by the federal government, affect you and your organization's operations. We'll be exploring the roles of the Food and Drug Administration, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, and the Internal Revenue Service in this context. So stay tuned to ensure your team's safety, your consumers' trust, and to keep your organization compliant with tax laws. Today, we're diving into the world of maintenance regulations that are crucial for maintenance and asset management teams. These regulations are enforced by the federal government to ensure the safety of employees and consumers, as well as to make sure that asset-heavy organizations pay their fair share of taxes without losing too much money up front. Let's start off with the Food and Drug Administration, or the FDA. When the FDA conducts inspections, they typically review systems that correspond to the subparts applicable to the type of product or facility being audited. For maintenance teams, the subparts for buildings and facilities and equipment are of the main concern. Next up, we have the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, also known as OSHA. Maintenance workers are often exposed to workplace hazards on a daily basis, and OSHA aims to protect them. They provide access to vital information for vulnerable workers in high-risk jobs. So, if you're part of a maintenance team, it's essential to stay updated with OSHA regulations. Last but not least, we have the Internal Revenue Service, or the IRS. The IRS has specific regulations about deductible and capital improvement costs that are directly related to maintenance operations. They provide information about how businesses can recover these costs, which is vital for any maintenance or asset management team. Remember, staying informed about these regulations not only ensures the safety of your team and consumers, but it also helps your organization stay compliant with tax laws. So, make sure to keep up with the FDA, OSHA, and IRS regulations. And that's a wrap for today's episode. We've covered the crucial role of the FDA, OSHA, and IRS in maintenance and asset management. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights. To learn more about how Upkeep can help your team navigate these regulations, visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.